Hi, my name's Arthur. I'm a technician here at Clive Coffee. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean your Eureka Mignon grinder. These steps are fairly universal to all of the grinders in the Eureka Mignon series. That includes the Specialita that I've got here, the Silenzio, of course, the Oro XL range, the single dose, and so on. All these grinders are going to be fairly similar. The cleaning process that we're going to be talking about today is something that you'd want to do once every month, maybe once every 2 months, depending on usage. But it's quick, it's easy, it's definitely worth taking care of your grinder. The tools we'll be using today are 2 screwdrivers, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. I've got a soft bristle brush, another soft bristle brush, and I've got this paddle brush here just in case. We'll also be using a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment. Any domestic vacuum cleaner will work just as well. So we'll start by taking the hopper off. This can be cleaned in your kitchen sink using plain dish soap and water. Don't put it in the dishwasher. Please don't put it in the dishwasher. All right, now that we've got the hopper off, the next thing that we'll do is clear the grind chamber. Do this pretty easily by just picking up your grinder and turning it upside down and giving it a couple good shakes. Get all that big stuff out of there. So on the back of this grinder, you'll find a lovely little Eureka crest. Underneath this crest is the screw that holds the top plate on. So we'll pop that off there. We'll use our number 2 Phillips screwdriver. We do want to remember to use good technique, so make sure that the screwdriver is fully seated in the screw and push and turn. All right, now that we've gotten that screw out of there, we can take the top plate off and access the top of the bird chamber. The bird chamber is held on by 3 Phillips head screws. We'll take those screws off the same way we took the one out of the back. And now we have access to the bird chamber by popping off the top bird carrier like that. All right, we'll take a peek down into the bird chamber. You can see all that coffee built up. That's the coffee that we need to get out of there to make sure that our grinder is working tip-top. This is where it's handy to have a little brush. We're just gonna brush all of the loose grinds that we can. Now that we've got the bird chamber open and those grounds loose, we're gonna grab the vacuum cleaner we've got set aside and just go ahead and vacuum those out. Once you're done vacuuming, take a moment to peek inside the grind chamber there. You're gonna look for this chute. This chute allows grinds to come out of the grind chamber, and it tends to get clogged up pretty bad. So we're gonna make sure that we really get in there and get all that coffee out of the chute. We'll vacuum again and then move on to the top burr carrier. So we're gonna take our soft bristle brush, use that to scrub the burrs, get all that caked on buildup off. Don't forget the sides. And as simple as that, we're done. Now all we need to do is reassemble, dial it in, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos.